Hey guys, just jumping on quickly because ta-da! I've got the S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Buds Pro, and they're not even out yet. Like, they don't officially come out for another week. And I literally only ordered them yesterday as well, and they just arrived today. I haven't even got the confirmation email from putting my order in, so I was just like, what is this? Oh my god! So super exciting. I don't know what's gone on in the system because it wasn't supposed to ship to me this fast. But yay! Okay, so I have the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I think with Samsung you can tell what color it is based on the S, so let's not keep that a secret. I got the silver version, and then the Galaxy Buds Pro that you get for pre-ordering, they're silver. You don't really get a choice in that. So yeah, that's really fun. In terms of other things, I'm not going to unbox it now because like it's too late at night. I've just come back from an audition, which is why my voice is a little bit crazy. It's been a long time since I've been in a rehearsal room, like more than 6 months, and so yeah, I overdid it a little bit and I didn't warm up because it was this spontaneous last minute thing. But yeah, no, it was fun. We'll see what happens. I've still got two other bands who I was talking to, but whether or not we actually have anything happen, I don't know. The band tonight, they were good fun. So yeah, we'll see how things turn out. But since I got these early, I will do an unboxing. I'll try and do it tomorrow, but it depends with time. Would be good to try out early though, because I know a lot of the reviews at the moment are from big tech channels, whereas I'm basically just a regular person and I paid for it myself. Like, I didn't get it gifted to me by Samsung. So if I can have a look at this, I can give you my honest review. I'm sure it'll be great though, because like everything I'm hearing about this phone is really cool. And yeah, I got the S21 Ultra, which is the fancy version. There's the S21, S21 Plus, and then the S21 Ultra, and it's just like, yeah. But we can talk about all that later. I mumbled about some of it in the live stream. If you have any particular questions, let me know. I'm probably going to do this in pieces because I can't just do one huge video. I'll unbox them and then maybe do a review once I've actually opened them, because they came so early. I don't have a case for it yet. Like, I'm very paranoid about breaking stuff because I still have my Nokias, like, around, and then my current phone, my S7 Edge, is the only phone I've ever owned, like smartphone. I've got it in an OtterBox case, and so I've ordered an OtterBox case for the S21 Ultra. But I didn't expect it to come so early, so yeah, I'm not gonna get that for a little while. Also, like, my accessories, I've ordered some chargers, but they're not coming until early February because I guess they don't have any around at the moment. And yeah, some other accessories that'll be fun to try. But for now, I just wanted to show you that this is coming, so yeah, we can get onto that sooner than we thought. Thank you, Samsung. Oh, while I'm still here, so I had a lot of questions during the ordering process and all that, and I did 3 chats with, like, you know, in the Samsung website, there was a little chat to us box, and every time they were really good, like, they were really helpful. They actually know what they're talking about, whereas when you talk to some companies, like their little chat boxes, you end up in this loop of people who can't help you. All the Samsung chat guys either knew what they were talking about, or in one case transferred me to some other guys to help out, and like, yeah, and then this has arrived so much sooner than I thought. I still haven't got that confirmation email, but I guess this is confirmation. Hey, so yeah, exciting. And I guess at some point we can do a comparison to my S7 Edge, because that is a 5-year-old model now, and we'll see what today's tech is like, because I have no idea. Anyway, I've got to stop talking because, yeah, I've overdone my voice. I need to have some rest. So hopefully I'll be okay to do an unboxing, maybe get it up tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, exciting news. So, oh, one final thing. Turns out I might not be the only person who's had this happen, because I found someone on Twitter who has also received theirs early. I'll post the screenshot somewhere up here. So yeah, I don't know if Samsung knows about this, but if you're watching, here's a heads up. There's something weird happening with the pre-orders going out early. Maybe not to everyone, but I got lucky and someone else got lucky. So yeah, thank you. I'm not complaining. Just, yeah, unexpected. Anyway, good night, guys.